BMW has launched the performance flagships of the range just a few weeks after unveiling the facelifted X5 and X6. The 2024 X5M and X6M are now available exclusively in competition trim, with sharper styling, the latest curved digital cockpit, and a revised V8 engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Are you ready for the ultimate automotive experience? Our channel brings you the latest news, reviews, and insights from the world of cars. If you love cars and want to stay up to date on the latest happenings, hit that subscribe button and join us on the road. The updated competition models have the same 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque as their predecessors, according to the numbers. However, the twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 has undergone several internal upgrades and has been mildly electrified with a 48-volt system, changing its designation from S63 to S68. The 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission, which benefits from shorter gearing and quicker shifts, has integrated the electric motor from the 48-volt mild hybrid system. In terms of styling, the M-badged SUVs have slimmer LED headlights and X-shaped LED taillight graphics, but they are combined with version-specific body kits and larger diameter alloy wheels, 21-inch front, 22-inch rear. The revised kidney grille, the XM-inspired trim that connects it to the lower bumper intake, the front splitter, the quad exhaust pipes, and the diffuser, as well as the badges, are all finished in black. Furthermore, the color palette has been expanded with the addition of new Brooklyn Gray Metallic, Isle of Man Green Metallic, and Frozen Pure Gray Metallic shades, as well as 50 BMW individual special colors. One of the most important upgrades is the introduction of the BMW Curve Display, which gradually finds its way into the entire BMW lineup. The curved panel features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen running on the BMW operating system 8. The screens feature M-specific graphics, and the head-up display is also included. The driver can select preferred settings through the M setup menu, which is accessible through a single-button shortcut on the center console. The ambient light bar on the dashboard with a crystalline surface structure, as well as the carbon gearshift paddles, are among the new features introduced by the facelift. Carbon fiber interior trim, AM leather steering wheel, merino leather upholstery, heated seats, a Harman Kardon audio system, and a panoramic moonroof are standard on both models. Optional features include a fancier Bowers & Wilkins audio system, soft close doors, a panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof, and heated, ventilated, and massaging seats. BMW claims that the upgraded and electrified powertrain provides sharper response and increased efficiency over the previous model. The performance credentials remain unchanged, as the 0 to 60 mph sprint takes 3.7 seconds, and the top speed is limited to 155 mph or 177 mph with the optional M driver's package. It's worth noting that the electrified XM has a plug-in hybrid powertrain, so these are the first BMW M models to feature mild hybrid technology. The M xDrive all-wheel drive system, the active M differential at the rear, the M Sport exhaust with electronically controlled flaps, M compound brakes, and the adaptive M suspension professional with a refined setup are all standard performance features that will help you get the most out of the V8. In terms of advanced driver assistance systems, the standard parking assistance professional has been expanded with the addition of the reversing assistant and the maneuver assistant, both of which can remember and remotely reproduce specific steering movements over a distance of up to 200 meters. The 2024 X5M and X6M will make their public debut in March at the Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance, with production beginning in April at the Spartanburg plant. The X5M starts at $122,300 and the X6M starts at $127,200, not including the $995 destination and handling fee. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel. If you love this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. We are always bringing you the latest and greatest from the world of cars, so don't miss out. Thanks again.